Want to boost your Telegram presence and earn that coveted blue checkmark next to your group or channel? In this video, I'll walk you through how to get verified on Telegram step by step, so you know exactly what to expect and how to give your application the best chance of success. By the end, you'll understand both what Telegram is looking for and how to use the verification bot like a pro. Let's get started. First off, it's important to know that Telegram's verification process isn't open to just anyone. Unlike some platforms where you might simply fill out a form and hope for the best, on Telegram, verification is reserved for major public entities. Think official brands, super popular celebrities, or big organizations. If you're hoping to verify your personal account, unfortunately, that's not possible. The blue badge is strictly for public channels, groups, or bots that officially represent notable entities. Before you even think about applying, Telegram wants proof that you're well known, and not just within Telegram itself, but across other big social media platforms. Their criteria is pretty clear. The entity you're representing must be active and recognized publicly on at least 2 other platforms like Twitter or X, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, VK, or even Snapchat. The idea here is simple. Telegram wants to make sure that whoever getting verified isn't just famous within Telegram but has a broad public presence. So if you're an artist, a startup, or a community manager looking to get verified, double-check that you really have those active social profiles. Here's one detail that trips up a lot of people. On those external profiles, Telegram needs to see proof that you're officially partnering with your own channel, group, or bot. That means you must have actual working links from your Twitter, Instagram, or whichever platforms you choose, pointing directly to your official Telegram. These links act like a bridge telling Telegram, yes, this channel is truly ours. If you don't have those links posted publicly, for example, in your Instagram bio or the About section of your YouTube channel, Telegram won't be able to connect the dots and your chances of approval drop. So take a moment to add those Telegram links across your profiles before moving on to the next step. Once you have all that in place, applying is pretty straightforward. Telegram's process runs through their official @Verify bot, and you'll want to be sure you're using the genuine Telegram-created bot. Just open Telegram, then use the search bar to type @Verify bot and tap on the official listing that pops up. Give it a moment to load, then hit start to kick off the verification process. The bot will walk you through each step, and it's not just clicking buttons. When prompted, you'll need to select what kind of entity you're trying to verify. Is it an organization, a public figure, or a bot? Choose carefully, as Telegram wants each application to be specific. Then be ready to submit links to your active, verified social profiles. You'll need to copy-paste the URLs for those platforms where you've already linked back to Telegram and provide them exactly as instructed. Take your time here, accuracy matters. Once everything's submitted, the bot bundles up your information and sends it off for the Telegram staff to review. This part might take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on their workload. Don't worry if you don't hear back immediately. Telegram does a manual check to verify that everything matches up and that your public presence is strong enough. If you're approved, you'll see that blue checkmark appear, and you'll get a notification confirming your official status. If you're not successful, maybe you're missing a link or don't meet the presence requirements, the bot will usually tell you why. This feedback can be super valuable, so take note of it. You can always improve your profiles, add those missing links, and reapply once you're ready. And that's it, you're now fully equipped to try for verification on Telegram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to like the video if it helped you out and subscribe for more clear, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Good luck getting verified, and I'll see you in the next video.